this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Samsung phone. So whether you have a Galaxy or one of these lower end models like the A16 or something like that, it's very easy to connect them. All you have to do is go to the Bluetooth setting and then put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode by simply opening up the case just like this, flip it around and holding down this pairing button on the back. And you can see the light will start to blink now. Now go to the Bluetooth options by swiping down from the top right, and we should be able to go to the settings right here, or go to settings on the top. Then go on down to where it says Bluetooth. It might be under like connections, or right here it says Bluetooth, so we can just select that. Hold down on the Bluetooth option or just tap it. Bluetooth is turned on, press scan on the top. And we should be able to see our AirPods under here now. So here's my AirPods, Timothy AirPod. I can just select it. And it should connect now. And my phone is super slow because I have a A16. Pairing not accepted. So if it's not accepted, you can see my AirPods turned off. So we can just hold this down again. And then we can try it again. And then we might have to press scan one more time too. And then it should connect. So here it is. Let's go to pair. And now I'm able to use it on my Samsung device. So we can go to the settings and we can go to forget if we no longer want it on our device. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.